Hi, in this video, I'll just show how name resolution works in Azure. For this particular demo, I will create a virtual machine in resource group RG Infra, and I will create a private DNS zone in a resource group called DNS RG in East US location. And inside that private DNS zone, I will create a basically zone peter.local, and inside that I'll create a hosted record. My name it will be my name dot peter dot local will be this getting resolved to 6.6.6.6, and I will create another hosted record. So I will just show you how name resolution going to happen from private DNS zone within Azure. Okay, and just to show you, these two will be in two different VNets. So let me just show you my portal first. Okay, I have already created the virtual machine, and this is in RG Infra. This is my virtual machine. Let me just go ahead and connect to this particular virtual machine first. So this is a public IP. I will connect. Maybe connect. Okay. So this is connected, and I will also show you the another RG where I am going to create the zone. Uh, this is okay. This is getting created, this resource group, so just wait. Okay, now the resource group should be here. Okay, this is DNS RG. This is blank at the moment. Okay, so this will be a fresh configuration, and then I will show you how DNS queries can be resolved from private DNS zone. So I will go to my private DNS zone. Ignore these private DNS zones because I'm going to create a fresh one. And one thing I need to basically, okay, I'm going to create this inside this, and the zone name is peter.local. So it is peter.local. Okay, and next zone editor, private zone editor, I will leave this blank and I will create the private DNS zone. Okay, you must have observed it did not ask for any kind of VNet, so we can very well create any zone without any VNet. And also uh, I can go ahead and define the records in it. So let's wait for a minute. I will pause this. So the zone creation is still in progress. Okay, now the zone is created, and if I show you records, it does not have any records at the moment. Okay, so what I will do, I will just show you first the dot local name resolution. If I go here, if I try to ping, it doesn't work. Okay, it should not work. Okay, and if I try to ping my name dot peter dot local, my name, okay, this doesn't work at the moment. So I will show you. First thing, I need to create a hosted record here, whatever you want. So it is my name, and this should be resolved to 6.6.6.6. Okay. No need to select anything. I will refresh this. But still it will not work because so far we did not do any kind of integration. But yes, this is created. If I go and if I try to do this, it will still not work. Okay, why it is not working? Because we have created the zone, but this zone is not integrated anywhere that it needs to be resolved from this particular virtual machine. So important thing, we need to first see this particular virtual machines VNet, where exactly the VNet this machine is attached to. So this is the configuration, and this is my virtual network, which is VNet 1. If I go here, this is my VNet 1. This is the VNet. Okay, if I go it from here, this is my VNet 1, where my virtual machine is connected at the moment. Only one connected device is. This is standard for my virtual machine. Okay, so now we need to ensure that DNS zone is basically connected to this. How we need to do that? So for that, just go to the private DNS zone, go here and virtual network link. Okay, create a link. I'm going to give a link. So DNS link VNet VM. So any name we can give. Subscription network we need to select. So this is my VNet from where we need to get this thing resolved and create. Now what is going to happen? It will basically provision an interface in that VNet, and that's how it will basically map. So if I refresh this, creating a virtual network link. Okay, so this is the link it has created. Okay, one important thing which I forgot to show you. Any You can give any name, subscription VNet, and we see here enable auto registration. If you check this option, what is going to happen from that particular VNet? Any machine you go ahead and create in this particular VNet, that machine will be automatically registered to this particular DNS zone. Okay, so but we don't need that at the moment. So this is done. So now if I come here and if I try to ping, see, this is getting resolved. You can see it is able to get the IP address. Similarly, if I go ahead and create any other records here, just like the second record, it's showing my test 222. We can go ahead and add here my test, and the fully name will be my test.peter.local, and IP is 4 times 2. So now if I go ahead and ping here, ping my test dot peter dot local, see, it is able to resolve. So that's how we can get the name resolution done from a private DNS zone from a VNet. Thank you.